Hey guys, it's James from gigapress.net. Today we're going to be learning how to remove the date from your WordPress posts. But why consider removing dates from WordPress posts? Displaying an old post date might discourage readers, especially in evergreen content. What is evergreen content? Evergreen content refers to posts that remain relevant and valuable over time, such as how-to guides, tutorials, Q&A, and case studies. Removing the date may encourage readers to continue reading your post without worrying about when it was published. It is also beneficial for SEO. Search engines pay attention to dates, so if your content is still valuable, removing dates can boost SEO. Here, I'm going to show you the methods on how to hide or remove dates on WordPress posts. Let's start with the easiest method, using your WordPress dashboard. This method doesn't require any coding skills. Keep in mind that this method will remove dates from all of your posts across the entire website. Here on your dashboard, navigate to Settings. Now here in the General section, scroll down and find the Date format and Time format. Then, select Custom for both settings and leave the fields blank. Once done, just click on Save Changes, and the date and time should be removed from all your WordPress posts. Another easy way to remove the dates is by using Custom CSS. Keep in mind that this method will only apply to your current theme. On your dashboard, go to Appearance, and select Theme. Now select the current theme you're using. Then click the Customize button. Here, click the site, then click the Styles icon at the top right. Scroll down and select Additional CSS. Then add the following code: .entry-meta.entry-date.published display none. If it doesn't work, try adding this CSS code instead: .entry-meta display none. Once done, click on the Save button. Click on View to see if the dates are removed from your posts. But if you still see the date, try adding an exclamation point important tag after your code, like this: .entry-meta.entry-date.published display none exclamation point important. This rule will override your theme's code to ensure that the date is not displayed. Another easy way is to delete dates directly on your site editor. Simply click on the latest posts, then click on Settings in the top right. Here you will find the Post Meta option. Toggle off this option, Display Post Date, if you want to remove or hide the date from your posts. Or just highlight the date, then click the three dots, then at the bottom click on Delete. This should remove the dates on your posts. You can also use the WordPress theme editor to remove the date and time from your posts. This method requires knowledge of HTML and might not work with every theme, so it's best to use it only if the custom CSS method doesn't work for you. Here's how. On your dashboard, go to Tools and select Theme File Editor. Then, find the code that corresponds to the date and remove it. The last method I'm going to show you is by using a plugin. This method is very straightforward and enables you to use custom settings, like removing the date from individual posts. Here on your dashboard, go to Plugins and select Add New Plugin. Then go to the search box and type WP Meta and Date Remover. Click on the Install Now button. Then click on Activate. Once you've installed and activated the plugin on your site, go to Settings and choose WP Meta and Date Remover in your dashboard. Here, you can configure the plugin settings. If you don't have a preference for whether the date is added to your backend code, we recommend enabling only the CSS-based removal option. If you want to remove the date from your front end and back end, I recommend enabling this option to remove the date. Under Advanced Settings, you'll see the option to remove the date and time from individual posts. However, these features are only available if you upgrade to the premium version. Once done, click on Save Changes. And that's it! The simple ways to remove dates on WordPress posts. For more WordPress tutorials, our free WordPress masterclass, and fast and reliable web hosting, visit gigapress.net. Thank you, and see you next time.